Yeah, it's going down like Chinatown. I am so excited. Kind of like that time when Jesse Spano got all hawked up on caffeine pills.
I'm so excited! I'm so scared!
That escalated quickly. Why am I so excited? It's quite simple. Little Caesars! Pretzel Crust Pizza. It's going down like Chinatown. It is time for another episode of Taste Test Tuesday on
Sunday.
Sunday. Try that again. Taste Test Tuesday on
Thursday.
That had so much excitement. All right, hey, check out the new microphone. Subliminal message. All right, let's dive right in, kids. Let's dive right in. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, man. I'm just going to take this big piece right here. Look at that. All that cheese sauce and the salty pretzel crust. I've been wanting to do this for so long.
Somebody hand me one.
Oh, we forgot about young Alice. That,
What do these men have on?
I don't know. Who cares about them? We're filming a video. That is delightful. What do you think? Initial impressions? Good.
Oh, this cheese is questionable.
The cheese is questionable? I think that's the best part. We got some crazy bread too. Can't go to Little Caesars without getting some crazy bread. They gave us an extra one. What do you think, young Alice?
No,
You're not loving it.
I wish it was just regular cheese.
It is regular cheese. But they don't put marinara sauce on it. They put a cheese sauce.
That's what it is.
And what you got there? Some buffalo ranch. All right. My pizza is done. Now it's down to the crust. See how pretzel-like it is. It's like that first roll gold out of the bag. Nothing's better than that first one. After that, it's all downhill from there. Roll gold style. Who agrees? Anybody?
Mm-hmm.
See what this buffalo sauce tastes like. Buffalo. Where's the other sauce? See what this cheesy jalapeno is all about. I'm not double dipping. I'm putting the side that I didn't dip in. Ooh, I like that cheese jalapeno. Try that. It's a little salty with the crust. Anybody ready to give it a rating? You are? Alice, you go first. A 3 out of 5 from young Alice. Amy?
Probably 3.
A 3 out of 5 from young Amy? Young Amy? The lovely Miss Amy. The lovely Miss Amy. She is young. She's young. We don't talk about women's age around here. I'm going to go with a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. I am still excited for it though. I'm gonna eat me another piece right now.
We get a ranch? No,
Yes, we got a buffalo ranch. Oh man, look at all that. That
Can I
is.
try it?
Oh man. I even put salt on the actual pizza. So you guys not feeling it? 3 out of 5?
I mean, it's okay. It's not what I thought it was going to be.
Not as good as last week's Taste Test Tuesday. Right?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
You remember that?
Funnel cake fries.
Oh, good. I'm gonna stick with my 4 though. This is pretty good. I like it.
I like the sauce.
Where's the other sauce? We got 3. Oh, that was
Right here.
garlic. I think I like the cheesy jalapeno sauce best. That's if there's not enough cheese on this. So you guys just aren't digging the cheese sauce? I think that is the best part. How's that crazy bread?
TheBomb.com.
Bombs.com. Who owns that website? I need to buy that. Speaking of Jesse Spano getting jacked up on caffeine,
I
think it's time for me to get jacked up on some caffeine. Cleanse the palate. This is very salty. That's why I take away 1 point. It would have been a 5 if it weren't so salty. I mean, I know pretzels are supposed to be salty, but
I didn't think it tasted like pretzel.
you don't. A soft pretzel?
Do we have marinara sauce?
Yes, we do.
Thank you. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite part. That's good.
It's really good.
Oh, that cheesiness from the cheesy jalapeno dip. Oh, dip it
This is
again,
so
double
good.
dip it, bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that. Should we rate the crazy bread? You guys seem to really be into that crazy bread. 5, double 5. Look at that simultaneously.
This is so good.
I'm missing out over here eating this pretzel. They're eating the crazy bread, going to town on it.
So good.
It's so soft.
I like this jalapeno cheesy dip though. Guess I better try some crazy bread. It's all gone.
We have 30 pounds for that.
We do something for me to snack on when I'm watching Walking Dead tonight. I mean, oh wait. It's supposed to not be Sunday. Crazy bread. That is good.
It's good crazy bread.
Crazy bread's always good. All right, we had to drive 2 towns over for this review today. Over the mountain. My brakes started acting up going down over the mountain. But was it worth the ride, ladies? For the crazy bread. I'm not a big fan of the pizza. I'll give the crazy bread a 5 too. If you haven't ever tried crazy bread, go to a Little Caesars near you.
Start your car.
As always, this is J Matt saying adios, arrivederci, signing on, and goodbye for now. For the lovely Miss Amy and the lovely young Alice. Everyone is a winner at Little Caesars. Go ahead, Alice. Play it. Young Alice. Let's see if young Alice is a winner. All right. Way to go, young Alice. You're a winner.
Well, now I know how it works.
Yes, the winner